Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how you can fix TikTok Shop not showing. So as you can see here, we have the TikTok Shop feature, which located at the bottom left hand corner of your screen beside the home button and the plus icon. Now, if you don't see this option, this TikTok Shop is not showing on your app. Well, basically the common reason is that you didn't meet the minimum requirements on TikTok Shop. Now, to see the requirements here to enable this shop on your TikTok, so basically tap on your profile icon right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now, here on your profile page, you just have to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner and then tap on Career Tools. Now, here on your Career Tools, you will find an option that says TikTok Shop for a Creator. So, if you're going to tap on this TikTok Shop for a Creator, and here you will find the requirements to basically enable this feature. So you should have to meet your community guidelines, have over 1,000 followers, and be at least 18 years old. So if you meet those requirements, then you can enable this TikTok shop on your account. So you should have to complete all the requirements to feature your favorite products on TikTok shop. Now, if you want to sell and you don't have enough followers, then basically you just have to select another option here. So we need to go back to the settings and we need to find another option. So we're going to tap TikTok shop for seller. Now here, as you can see, if you want to sell your products on TikTok, basically, as you can see, if you are a retailer, brand, or business with products to sell, you can sell on TikTok no matter how many followers you have. So you can go here on the TikTok shop for seller to enable this feature if you can't open a TikTok shop on the TikTok shop for creators. So this is another way here. Now, another reason here to fix the TikTok shop not showing on your app is basically your TikTok is not updated. So you need to get the latest update of your TikTok. So to do that, go to your Google Play Store if you're using Android or App Store if you're using iOS device. And then we should find the TikTok app right here. Go to the search box and type TikTok. And then if an update button shows up here on TikTok, you should have to tap on the update button so you can get and install the latest version of TikTok. And once done here, if you go back to TikTok app or if you open this app, you'll find that TikTok shop feature. So that's it. That's how you basically fix TikTok shop not showing on your app. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.